In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in ClickUp. Archiving in ClickUp is a handy way to hide a task you don't need right now without deleting it. Everything stays intact, your descriptions, comments, attachments, and history, so you can bring it back when you're ready. Here's how to do it, and just as importantly, how to quickly undo it. First, open your ClickUp account and sign into your workspace as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and have the right permissions to manage tasks. If you're part of a team, some options may only appear if you're an owner or have edit access. Next, open the specific task you're working with. You can get to it from your list or board view, or by using the search bar if that's faster. Once the task is open in its full detail view, take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the title and any key information, so you don't archive the wrong task by mistake. Now look for the three dots menu, often called the More Actions menu. You'll find it in the top right corner of the task window. Click that menu to reveal additional options. This is where you can archive the task. Select Archive to move the task out of your active views. ClickUp will apply the change and you'll typically see a confirmation appear on the screen. If you archive the task by accident or you changed your mind, unarchiving is immediate and simple. Right after you archive, look for the small confirmation message or banner that appears. This includes an undo button. Click undo and the task will pop right back to its previous active state. This is the fastest way to reverse an archive action, and it preserves everything exactly as it was. Keep an eye on that message because it usually only stays on screen for a short time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Archiving is different from deleting. You're not losing data, you're just tucking it away. Give the page a second after you click archive so the undo option can appear. If you're collaborating, let your teammates know when you archive something that affects shared work, so no one is surprised when a task disappears from active views. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, open the task, use the three dots to archive, and if you need it back right away, click undo in the confirmation. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in ClickUp.